Bluey ran across the warm sandy beach. The waves lapped gently at her paws. She spotted something shiny, half buried near the shoreline. "What is that?" she wondered. Bingo scampered over. Together they dug, revealing a beautiful spiral shell. "It's a treasure!" Bluey shouted, tail wagging with excitement. Bingo clapped. "Can we keep it?" Mom walked nearby, watching them play. "That's a lovely shell. Make sure to wash it before keeping it," she said. Bluey carefully held it, turning it in her paws to admire the colors. Pink and purple swirls glinted under the sun. Nearby, Snickers sniffed the sand, curious about their find. Bluey giggled, "Even Snickers thinks it's amazing." They explored further, looking for more shells and little crabs. Bluey spotted a tiny hermit crab, crawling quickly across the sand. "Hello, little friend," she whispered, watching it scuttle safely into a shell. Bingo laughed. "These beaches are full of surprises." After a while, Bluey gathered her favorite shells into a small bucket. She made a crown of seashells, placing it gently on her head. "You look like the queen of the beach," Bingo exclaimed. Bluey twirled with joy. The sun warmed their backs, casting golden light across the sand. Waves splashed closer, so they dipped their paws into the water. Bluey giggled, "I love the ocean so much." As the afternoon passed, they rested under a big beach umbrella. Bluey held her shell tightly, feeling proud of her little treasure. "Mom brought lemonade. Time for a break, my little adventurers," she said. Bluey sipped happily, tail wagging with delight. When it was time to leave, Bluey placed the shell safely in her bag. "I'll remember today forever," she whispered. Bingo hugged her. Walking back home, Bluey looked at the waves one last time. "What an amazing day, finding treasure and playing with friends," she said. Dad waved from the porch. "Did you enjoy the beach?" Bluey smiled. "If you loved our sandy adventure, give a like, tap subscribe, and join us for more fun moments."